CRM Repo API enables organizations to transform standard Salesforce tabular reports into professional formatted, compliance-ready Excel file without custom code or manual post-processing, designed for simplicity and consistency. The tabular report workflow allows users to upload a Salesforce exported detailed XLS report, apply a standardized header and footer template, optimize the spreadsheet for reading and printing. The header and footer overview. The section outlines how each part of the header and footer is automatically generated and where every piece of information originates. The left header, the user full name, retrieved from Salesforce users information. The middle header, the report name, taken directly from the uploaded or selected Salesforce report. The header right, the Salesforce org instance name, automatically detected from the connected org. The footer. The footer left, the user company name combined with the required confidential information label. The footer middle, page number over total pages, generated dynamically when XLSX is created. Footer right, the export date, timestamp apply at the moment the report is formatted. Optionally, you could encryption. User may choose to enable encryption and apply a custom encryption code. When enabled, the final XLSX will require the code to open, adding an additional layer of data protection. The screen outlines the complete end-to-end workflow for processing any tabular or formatting Salesforce report through CRM Repo API. The process begins directly in Salesforce, where the user runs their desired report and exports it in Excel format, using a clear and descriptive file name for traceability. First, search for the report name using the Smart Lookup field. When you select the intended report, click Get Selected Report to retrieve all stored settings associated with it. Next, drag and drop the exported report into the upload box. Enable Encrypted report and enter an encryption code. Set the report format to tabular or formatted to ensure that in CRM Repo API apply your predefined header, footer, and formatting logic. If you are creating a new setup or updating an existing report, click Save, then click Next to proceed. After the report is fully configured, simply click Process Uploaded Report. CRM Repo API reads the uploaded data, apply your formatting, and prepare the final XLSX file. When processing is complete, click to download uploaded file to download the finished, fully formatted, compliant Excel report. This page guides you through every step required to prepare, configure, and process an uploaded Salesforce report using CRM Repos API. The screen is organized into 5 sections. Each handles a specific part of the setup and processing flow. Section 1, Report Lookup. Begin by selecting the Salesforce report you want to work with. As you type in the lookup field, matching report appears instantly. After selecting a report and clicking Get Selected Report, all related sections become visible and the full configuration automatically loads. To reset your selection at any time, simply click the X inside the lookup field. This clears the field and removes any displayed setup information. Section 2, Report Run Setup. This section displays the core metadata for the chosen report, including the original report name, Salesforce report ID, and the date the setup was last updated. You can edit the downloadable report file name. Switch the report format to tabular and drag and drop your exported Salesforce report into the uploaded area. Section 3, Report Header and Footer. In this section, CRM Repo API shows you the full header and footer that will be applied to the generated Excel file. The template includes system-generated elements such as an instance name, export date, and company name, and page numbering. The only editable item here is the report name, which you can adjust it if you want to appear differently in the final header. Spreadsheet setup. Here you define how the final spreadsheet will look and print. CRMRepo API support autofilter, freeze first row and or column, fit the print, landscape orientation, or tabular layout option. If additional security is required, you can enable the encryption setup, which encrypts the final XLSX using a code you provided. So enable encrypt report and enter an encryption code. Section 5, process report. At the bottom of the screen, CRMRepo API indicate whether this is a new report configuration or an existing one. If you are creating a new setup or have modified any field, you must click Save Report to store your changes. Once saved, click Next to proceed with processing the report and generating your final XLSX output. Next screen, click Process Upload Report. The screen illustrates the delivery workflow for an encrypted report. Once the uploaded report is processed with encryption enabled, the system automatically emails the user an encrypted copy of the report as an attachment. This ensures secure distribution of sensitive data and support compliance with data protection and privacy requirements. For added convenience, the system also provides a non-encrypted version of the same report for immediate download, using the link displayed on the screen. This allows users to quickly access the formatted report for on-screen review or internal use, while still ensuring that the encrypted version is securely delivered via email. Together, this approach balances security and usability by offering encrypted delivery for protected sharing alongside fast access to an unencrypted file when appropriate. The screen confirms that the report downloaded directly from the application is not encrypted. The file is provided for immediate access and review, with all the formatting, header, footer, and print setting applied. The encrypted version of the report is delivered separately by email, while the on-screen download remains unencrypted to allow quick access and usability. This slide demonstrates how CRMRepo API delivers an encrypted report by email. Once the uploaded report is processed with encryption enabled, the system automatically sends the user an email containing the encrypted XLSX file as an attachment. The message clearly indicates that the report has been encrypted, ensuring secure delivery while maintaining a simple automated workflow for the user. When opening an encrypted Excel file generated by CRMRepo API, the system will prompt you to enter the encryption code. This code is a security key applied during processing and is required to unlock and view the report content. Only users who have the correct encryption code can access the file, ensuring secure handling of sensitive or regulated data. When you open the encrypted Excel file, you will be prompted to enter the encryption code. Once the incorrect code is entered, the report unlocked and displayed with all the formatting fully applied, including the custom header and footer page, landscape print setting, fit-to-print scaling, and repeated column header. Even when encrypted, the report preserves the complete professional formatting generated by CRMRepo API. Print preview show custom header and footer page numbers over page count, landscape print setting, fit-to-print scaling. Instead of navigation to Salesforce to open the report screen, manually running a report, exporting it, and then uploading it to the file, CRMRepo API provides a built-in run report capability. This functionality originally introduced in CRMRepo Report Job Scheduler and now inherited by CRMRepo API. Allow report to be executed directly from the application. The report is automatically run, downloaded, and delivered as a fully formatted Excel file with all the configured enhancements applied, including header and footer, print optimization, encryption if enabled, and any additional processing rules. The run report features require a master login with the appropriate Salesforce permission. Once the access is configured and granted, or authorized user can leverage the feature without needing individual elevated permissions, provided access has been explicitly approved. Additionally, a CRMRepo subscription enables you to schedule any Salesforce report to run automatically and be delivered to an assigned recipient. If your organization already has this subscription, there is no additional charge to use to run report capability within the CRM Repo API flow. The encrypted, formatted, or tableau run screen function identically to the upload screen. The only difference is setting process report to run instead to upload. All other steps and processing behavior remain the same.